All right, here we go. Hey everybody, this is Jim from Racers and Rods. This is our first ever food truck food review, car show edition. We're at Trash the Classics in Okeechobee, Florida today, out here with a bunch of rat rods, a bunch of bands. Great little festival here, had a lot of fun. It's a little hot, but a bunch of great people here. So I've got the all the way hot wiener, except for the raw onions, because I don't do raw onions, from Ocean State Hot Wieners truck out of Stuart, Florida. Here it is. It looks good, and apparently this is some kind of prime rib sauce on it, and it looks really good. It's different. It is a red cased hot dog. So we're going to take a couple bites here. We're going to see what we think. The sauce is really good. It's like a high-end sloppy joe. I usually don't like a hard cased hot dog. It's not real hard. It's a little crunchy. It almost tastes like, I guess, the red cased dog tastes kind of like a more like a sausage than it does a hot dog. It's got yellow mustard on it. It's actually very good. Also a steamed bun, so it's good. I'm gonna take another bite. Yeah, that's different. It's really good. The dog is really good flavored, really good mustard. The topping on it, the meat sauce, it's got a little spice to it, but it's really good. So anyway, we're gonna give that a thumbs up. We're gonna say that's good. If you see these guys are out of Stuart, Florida, Ocean State Hot Wieners, you see them, check them out, get one of these, and we'll see you on the next one.